this is how we clean up the workflow after we test it. So remember that within the if-else branch, we have altered the condition a little. So one of the conditions that we added was a condition group where we only allow contact with this phone number to enter this workflow. If a contact doesn't contain this phone number, it will not enter this workflow, right? So just for testing purpose. So for this one, we're gonna click on the trash icon to remove this entire condition group. We no longer need it. And also previously we made some changes to the operating hour start time from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. just for testing. Okay, so now that we are done with testing, we can just change it back to 9 a.m. Okay, we change it back to 9 a.m. Once done, just click save, and then yeah, so once you're done, you can just click save. Once you click save, this thing is live, and any contact, they can actually enter this workflow as long as they send you a message outside of your operating hours. So in the next few guides, I will be showing you how to extend this workflow, because you may have other requirements like special occasions where you want to send out different messages, especially for occasions that perhaps coincides with your regular operating hours. So in those guides, I will show you how to extend this workflow to account for those cases.